Bakit mahalaga ang kindergarten sa bata? Pwede bang skip na lang ang kindergarten? Hi teachers and parents, I'm Sure Chris. I taught kindergarten for 8 years and I share simple tips about early childhood learning. Number 1, foundation ng learning ang kindergarten. Dito natututunan ang letters, numbers, listening skills. Ito yung magiging foundation nila pagdating nila sa grade 1. Number 2, social and emotional skills. Natututo si kinder makisama, mag-share, at sumunod sa rules. Hindi lang academics ang importante, behavior and attitude din. Number 3, classroom readiness. Tututunan ni kinder ang routine. Umupo, makinig, tapusin ang task. Ito ang magpapadali sa adjustment niya sa formal schooling. So parents, kindergarten is not just about learning. It's about preparing your child for life in school. Follow Chris for more tips about early childhood learning. Comment below, nag-kinder ba kayo o diretso grade 1 noon?